friend, this new software and affiliate marketing for beginners guide. Total review this software. Are you a new affiliate having this question on your mind? What is affiliate marketing? How does affiliate marketing work? Who is affiliate marketing for? What are the pros and cons of affiliate marketing? What are the requirements you need to guide start in affiliate marketing? You can really make money in affiliate marketing. How much money you can make as an affiliate marketing? How can you get start as an affiliate marketer? What are the best way to promote affiliate product? All the question, all the answer for all these question is in this simple guide. Keep reading. Okay. A lot of info about this product. If you can buy this product, click my video description. Now the question is, what your targeted amount? You went to a site beginner 0 to $1,000 per month, intermediate 1k to 10k per month, make on different to me. All you need now understand affiliate marketing very well. The sky is your limit. Most affiliate because they have the wrong information about affiliate marketing. Now, this true is more than 95% of never failed to the affiliate marketing with success. People start out with every high expectation and need up in giving because the money making part of their affiliate business is just not lifting up. What is the success rate of affiliate marketing? The what is affiliate conversion rate normally hovers amount 1%. If you want to be amount this present track of affiliate marketer, you need to understand affiliate marketing very well and earn enough money to live your dream lifestyle. What will what you have learned inside the guide? What is affiliate marketing? How does affiliate marketing work? Who is affiliate marketing for? What are the pros and cons of affiliate marketing? What are the requirements for need to get start affiliate marketing? Can you really make money in affiliate marketing? How much money can you make as affiliate marketer? How can you get start an affiliate marketer? What are the best way or promote affiliate marketer? How many thousand drop affiliate marketing work? What is the fraction of the house reset affiliate marketing bonus? What you need to know about affiliate marketing? Which affiliate network to look out for when promoting? Why participate in an affiliate program? Who should consider becoming an affiliate? Three things all affiliate marketer need to survive online. A day in the life of an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing and how home business. Affiliate marketing and the pay per click. Affiliate marketing business has solved warnership. Affiliate marketing option. Affiliate marketing source. Affiliate marketing role. Affiliate marketing strategy web for spam. Affiliate marketing tips. Affiliate marketing tips on how to spot a spam. Affiliate marketing, what is it? Because beside affiliate internet marketing, easy promote using PPC and your affiliate marketing bonus. Guiding the most of affiliate marketing. Here's how to avoid the three most common affiliate marketing. Here's why using Camtasia can increase your affiliate car. How affiliate marketing can enable you to work from home. How to have the affiliate marketing system. How to be hands and successful in affiliate marketing. How to be to become to super affiliate. How to become a super affiliate and niche marketer. Is it work buying affiliate software? Platforms to avoid when starting your affiliate marketing business. So many affiliate program. Which one do I choose? Some advice for those who want to become affiliate. Tips for a successful affiliate marketing business. Top 3 way to boost your affiliate commission overnight and more. Okay, a lot of info about this product. If you can buy this product, click my video description. Click here and buy this product. Only today value $12. Okay, people review. Hissel Smith. If you are not sure, your go-to affiliate marketing for beginner. I have gotten that last 50 minutes. The value for this course. Thank you. Susan been really good. It leads to say I am extremely satisfied with the result. No matter where you go, affiliate marketing for beginner is the course most happy things amount. Smith Williams. It's really safe. Me time at affiliate marketing for beginners in spite what I really need to get start. Travel to tell you happy I am with this guide. Been ready. I wish I would have thought of it first. If you want real guide that I am easy and understanding affiliate marketing for beginners got your cover. Okay. What you will learn inside the bonus guide. The powerful of love and shopping your mention. Shopping the negative setting goals. Change and the law of trial. Developing your iron resolve start. How to provide. How to focus. Percentage review. Organization. Why you must choose the positive income old. Training. Your time for money. Money. Make money will sleep. Passive income model. Email marketing. Create your own product. Write an ebook. Sell physical product and Amazon. Uh, Building an email marketing. Why you need to build an email list? You will be building an set. Demands for $10,000 per month. $1 per month per subscriber, getting to 1000 email subscriber, getting to 5000 email subscriber, getting to 10,000 email subscriber, developing your list building plan, what niche and why you need a sales funnels, the require space, autoresponder service, I a high quality land magnet, one time offer, auto OTO pace, your download pace, email flow apps, creating and write image, choosing a domain name, web hosting, installing WordPress, setting up your sale plans, setting up your autoresponder service, setting up your require space, the one-time offer page, download page setup, setting up email sequence, the autoresponder dashcares, your traffic plan, do not traffic stack list, land ratio, pay per click PPC, buying website, visitors. This see retold traffic struggles, learn how do article writing, marketing, how to use free classify ad, how you solve ad, Facebook fan page, ad ping, promoting offer to your list, where to find affiliate offer, clickbait, about GB's Warrior Plus, product launch GB, learning your list, sell slow ads, seeing high ticket costs and more. Today value only $12 to cut 10% guarantee. Okay, I'm details about this product and a lot of info about this product. If you can buy this product, click my video description. I am details about this product and details about this product review. Thank you so much. Thank you all.